Understanding, come into contact, an essential English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, come into contact. This expression is versatile and widely used in both formal and informal contexts. Understanding its meaning and usage will greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. Come into contact refers to the action of meeting or engaging with someone or something. This phrase can be used both literally and figuratively. Literally, it might mean physical touch, like touching a surface or shaking hands with someone. Figuratively, it can refer to any form of interaction, such as receiving an email or being exposed to new ideas. Example, literal, I came into contact with a hot stove and burned my hand. Figurative, through this course, students will come into contact with various philosophical theories. This phrase can be modified to fit different contexts. For instance, come into direct contact emphasizes physical or close interaction. Come into regular contact suggests frequent interactions. Come into contact with someone focuses on interactions between people. Example, as a nurse, she comes into direct contact with patients daily. Working in customer service means coming into regular contact with people. I came into contact with many interesting personalities at the conference. Here are some more examples to help you understand how to use this phrase in various sentences. After moving to Brazil, I came into contact with the Portuguese language. His job requires him to come into contact with high-level executives. The researchers came into contact with a rare species during the expedition. Notice how the phrase adapts to different subjects and scenarios, making it a flexible and useful tool in your language arsenal. And that's a wrap on Come into Contact. We hope this video has helped you understand this useful English phrase. Remember, practicing using new phrases in sentences is key to mastering them. So, try using come into contact in your conversations or writings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.